Grouping courses and setting course prerequisites are commonly needed features of Totara users. To accomplish this, we can use programs. Programs are a fundamental building block of Totara and are included in a learner's required learning area of their record of learning. A program is a grouping of courses in which you can control the learner's path. To build a program, go to the administrative cog in the navigation menu and select Programs. Here you will see all of the course categories previously built. This screen, however, is referred to as the Program Categories screen. Much like you would categorize a course on the Course Categories screen, here is where you will categorize your program. The program is housed within a category for administrative ease of use, but the program can absolutely contain courses from across multiple categories. For our example, we're going to build a new client implementation program. To do this, we will go to the Kineo Implementation Training category. On this screen, we can see that there are two other programs. But because we are onboarding a brand new client, we would like to keep our client learning separate. So we're going to add a brand new program. To add a new program, click the Add a New Program button. By default, after clicking the Add a New Program button, you will be taken directly to the Details tab. On the Details tab, you will first see the category, full name, short name, and ID. You can change the category that the program is stored within if you accidentally click the Program button within the wrong category. Next, you need to give your program a name. This is the name that your learners will see. I will call our example New Kineo Client Implementation Training. Next, provide your short name. The program short name will be used in several places where the full name may not be appropriate, such as the subject line of an alert message. ID number does not have to be populated and can be skipped. Next, you will see availability dates. If you set the available from and available until date, learners who are enrolled in the program will be able to find and enter the program during the period specified by the dates, but will be prevented from accessing the program outside of those dates. Next, you can provide a brief summary of the program. Also, you could provide supplemental files like PDFs within the summary file. You can also add a note that will appear at the end of your program after the user completes. If you're using audience-based visibility, on the Details tab, you can choose to make a program available to enrolled users and members of selected audiences. Under the Appearance section, you can choose a course icon as well as upload an image that will be utilized within the course catalog, as well as the Featured Links block. Extension requests can be enabled on a program-by-program basis and are managed between the learner and their staff manager. Once you have filled out all of the details, click Save Changes. Next, click the Content tab. Here, courses are added to programs utilizing course sets. Once sets are added, the relationships between them can be defined. To build a course set, choose the Set of Courses from the drop-down menu and click Add. Because we have already organized our courses into easy-to-find categories, it's simple for me to locate the courses that I need. I'm going to select the Kineo Implementation Trainings category and select the Kineo Asynchronous Training course, and click OK. You can have one or multiple courses per course set. Please note that the learner will see the courses in the order in which they are added to the course set. If I would like to reorder how these courses appear, you must delete the courses from the course set and add them in the order in which I would like the learner to see them. Once you've added courses to the course set, you can rename the set and then determine the criteria a learner must meet to complete the course set by choosing all courses, some courses, or all courses are optional. If you choose some courses, you will need to specify the minimum number of courses the user must complete. Minimum time required indicates a minimum amount of time that a user might realistically need to be able to complete the course set. It is also used to determine if the completion period set on the Assignments tab is realistic for a specific set of users. If the assignment is not realistic, a time allowance exception will be generated, and the user will not be assigned to the program until the exception has been resolved. To enforce prerequisite courses, you will need to utilize multiple sets. For our example, we'll add an additional course set. I will select from a different category and add an additional plugin training that I know my client's going to need. It is important that we pay attention to the statements between our course sets. You have options of then, or, and. Then means that a learner must complete one course set and then the next. Or means the learner can complete either course set and complete the entire program. And means the learner must complete both sets, but in any order to complete the program. Once you are finished, save your changes. You will be prompted with a confirmation message. If you're happy with what you've set, click Save All Changes. Now we will move on to the Assignments tab. From here, you can assign a variety of different learners to your program. You can choose from organizations, positions, audiences, your management hierarchy, or even individuals. Whoever you select from this menu will be able to see the program within their required learning area. Once you have made your selection, you can then set a due date. Due dates can be set based on fixed completion or relative time. Once you have made your program assignments, click Save Changes. You will be prompted with a Confirm Assignment Changes dialog box. This will let you know how many individuals have been added to your program and where they have been added. Click Save Changes. Please note that enrolling a user in a program does not automatically enroll the user in all of the courses within the program. Course enrollment actually occurs when the learner launches the course from the Programs page. Next, click the Messages tab. Programs can trigger multiple different notifications. You also have the option to add several additional messages, and you can add as many as you may need. Other messages include, but are not limited to, program due, program overdue, course set due, course set completed. Program notification messages are typically sent directly to the learner, but they can also be set to be triggered to be sent to the learner's staff manager. All messages can be edited on a per program basis. There are multiple placeholders within these messages that are crucial to make your message fit your need and can be utilized in both the learner message box as well as your manager message box. In version 12 and beyond, programs can now be featured on the same catalog screen as courses.